So you bought a brand new house at the peak of the market in 2022 and paid over list price and competing offers? What does that mean for you now? Well, I'm here to tell you, take a breath, it's okay. So what I want you to understand is that when you purchase real estate as an asset, you got to think about this as a long-term game. So right now, we're in a very small blip in a larger picture. So the market, if you bought high, perhaps in February, March, or April, and you competed and spent over list, maybe you paid $20,000 or $30,000 over list price to get that home. First, the bank had an appraiser come out, likely, and the bank will not finance an asset that is overinflated than its actual value. So that's one to give you kind of calm, it's okay. The next piece that's really important is to get that, again, it is long term. So as you go through this 10-year cycle, the market's gonna go up and down probably at least 3 times. And as you continue to go up, as long as you purchase a single family detached home in Edmonton, you're going to be fine.